Hello, I'm Fiona and I work as an outdoor learning officer at London Wildlife Trust. Today we're going to be learning how to make a couple of different types of bird feeder out of items that you can find easily at home. With us all spending so much time at home at the moment, it's a perfect opportunity for us to learn more about the wildlife that we can see from our windows or our balconies. Today we're going to be learning how to make a couple of different types of bird feeders. These feeders are both suitable for seed mixes or sunflower seeds, which means that you should attract different varieties of tits, siskins, greenfinches, if you're lucky, perhaps a robin. On my balcony at home, my seed feeders attract lots of goldfinches, which always entertain me with their amusing antics. This is the first bird feeder that we're going to make today. So the first thing that you need to do is to ask an adult to help you to cut out a window from your drinks carton. Have plenty of space for the birds to access the seeds. So it should look something like this. Next we're going to make a hole at the top. I'm going to use my hole punch for this. And then we'll get our piece of string, thread it through the hole, like so. And then all that's left to do is to put some seed into the bottom. Wouldn't fill it too full so that it doesn't all spill out. And there you go. Your bird feeder is ready to be hung up. So the second type of bird feeder that we're going to make is this one here. Holds a little bit more seed, so it should last a bit longer and has got room for a few birds to land on it at the same time. So the first thing to do is to ask an adult to help you to cut the top and the bottom off your milk carton. Turn it into a tube shape so you can fill up with seed. Next, you need to take your pieces of string and tie them around your stick. This is to make sure that things don't slide off the bottom and to hold everything in place. And then we're going to make the holes in our foil tray. This tray needs to be the right way up, so thread it in from the bottom. Pop your string through the milk carton. And then you need 2 more holes in your lid. And this one we're going to put on upside down to keep the seed dry. Obviously remember to fill it up first, and then it'll be ready to hang out in the garden for you to observe your birds. Don't forget to keep them clean and wash them regularly just to avoid any possible build-up of bacteria. Head over to the Wildlife Watch website to download some handy guides to help you identify the birds that might visit your feeders.